are going to share with you what is the meaning of Austronesian. So,
Austronesian origin is from Latin word. Australis means southern, and
Greek word.
Nesos means island.
Okay, next.
The existence of the Austronesian language family was first discovered in the 7th century when Polynesian words were compared to words in Malay. Despite extensive research into Austronesian languages, their origin and early history remain a matter of debate. Some say that the ancestral Proto-Austronesian language originated in Taiwan, Formosa, while others believe that it originated in the island of Indonesia.
What is it? What else? Can you say something? Huh? The story says that Austronesians were the first human to invent ocean-going sailing technologies, which allowed them to colonize a large part of Indo-Pacific region. So the Austronesian language family stretched halfway around the world, covering the wide geographic area from Madagascar to Easter Island, then from Taiwan and Hawaii to New Zealand. The family includes most of the language spoken of the island on the Pacific, as you see here in the picture, except for Australia and much more the Papua New Guinea. So here are a sample of countries that speak Austronesian language. So can you say some sample of countries that speak Austronesian language?
Austronesian languages are spoken in Indonesia, Philippines, Madagascar, Malaysia, New Zealand, Guam, Micronesia, Palau, Samoa, etc.
So aside from the language, Austronesian people also share to varying degrees common cultural characteristics, including traditions and technologies. For example, like stilt house, like you see here in the picture, wetland agriculture, and various rock art motifs.
They also share a common set of domesticated plants and animals, rice, bananas, coconuts, chickens, taro, bread, fruit, and pigs that were carried along with the migration.
So when they move to another island with their boat, they also bring their stuff, and that's how they other Austronesian countries have the similarities with the tradition and cultures.
See that?
Okay guys, we hope you like
this video.
And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So we will see you again in next time, and
God bless you and be safe.
bye bye.
Bye, guys.
Thank you for
Bye
watching.
bye. Thank you for watching.
Bye bye.
God bless you.